Hey everybody, welcome to a new video. Today I'm going to be talking about the one thing you need to do, the one thing you need to understand when it comes down to building a successful Redbubble store. Okay? This is the only thing you need to understand. And it has nothing to do with tagging your products. It has nothing to do with your design. Everybody's always looking for how do I build better designs or how do I tag products better? How do I do this? How do I do that? There's no secrets. There's only one thing that actually matters when it comes down to building a Redbubble store and actually having success and having the sales come in. And everybody here can listen to this and agree. It's attention. The only thing that matters is attention. We can all agree on that. Attention is traffic. Attention is views. Attention is clicks. We know that. I mean, for God's sakes, look at example of TikTok. You got 7th graders asking their parents to drop out of school because they want to be TikTokers. That's attention. You got people dropping out of college to be, influencers. They're looking for attention. Attention is the only thing that matters. When a rich guy finally, makes his millions, he buys a Lamborghini. Why? Because he wants the attention, right? Women know that they look good, so they want attention. They're out in public. They're looking for attention. These are all different aspects in human day-to-day life that nobody here can argue that attention reigns supreme. It creates every other thing. It creates sales. It creates money. It creates all these things. So the one thing that you need is attention. I'll give you an example of this through a story that I kind of want to tell. There was a guy at my gym. He was a bodybuilder. He had an amazing physique, probably the best one I've ever seen. Okay? He was always shredded, in terms of like bodybuilders, he looks like he belongs on the Arnold Classic stage. All right. And, I didn't really know the guy at the time, but he was working out and doing his thing. And time after time after time, we kept seeing each other, but, just a little high and by there. We didn't really know each other. And then one day he comes up to me and he asked me, hey, can you take a picture of me? For my Instagram? And I said, sure. Now, mind you, he didn't know, what I do. He didn't know anything about me. I took the picture for him. I gave it to him, and he was uploading the photo, and we were just talking, small talk. And I look at his following, and he had almost no following. He had like 200 followers, and they were his family and friends. And then I looked at the rest of his profile, and he had a ton of photos posted, but nobody, was seeing them. He was getting no attention virtually. And he said, I asked him, I said, are you trying to grow your Instagram? And he's like, yeah, I'm trying so hard. I want to get a sponsorship. I want to get, different people to support me. It would be real nice if I could get a sponsorship and things like that. And I said to him, how long have you been posting? And he said for a year. He's been posting photos. And he had probably over 400 photos on his Instagram. And every day he would post like 2 photos. He did the hashtags. He did everything he possibly could. Same way like a lot of people on their Redbubble stores today are doing everything they possibly can. They're doing the best designs. They're working hard on their designs. They're tagging. They're doing everything they can. But they still struggle with money. Right? And so I said to him, there's this tool called an Instagram bot that what you could do is you could take it, use it, and it essentially gets you attention, right? By the way it uses. And he said, all right, well, how does it work? And I very clearly, I sent him the link, and I showed him exactly how it works. I said, you install the bot, and at the time it wasn't this one, it was one of these. You use the bot, and it will follow people for you. And those people that you follow, they don't know about you, but you know about them, and you're going to interact with them. And once you interact with them, they essentially know about you. And they're going to interact back, whether it be a follow, whether it be a comment, whether it be a like, whatever. The only thing that matters is you're getting attention back, okay? And he made more followers. He gained more followers in that week than he had ever gained that whole entire year. And by the end of the year, he gained over 60,000 followers, and he gained tons and tons of followers on a daily basis. And those followers, like I said, he gained more essentially in a day than he's ever gained before. And it came down to one thing, and that's attention. And so, guys, we have to understand that there's 2 mechanisms to gaining attention. It can happen organically, where you could just work hard and post more designs, or you can work smart and use a tool to help you do that. Now, for me, you guys have seen this before, but I've used Instagram bots. You don't have to use Instagram bots. You can use Pinterest. You can use blogging. Hell, you can go on Redbubble and you can create 5,000 designs. That will gain you some more attention. For sure. And then it becomes just a numbers game. If I gave you 1 million visitors to your store, no matter how ugly your designs are, no matter how bad your tags are, you're going to make sales. Why? Because you shot through the roof in terms of attention, right? So the reason why I'm making this video is I had somebody who commented and he said, I'm posting all these designs. Some of them are good looking, some of them aren't, but I'm just not making enough money. And I'm not making any money. I'm not getting sales. I'm not getting orders. I'm struggling. I don't know what to do. And I told him the one thing you're missing is attention. And he didn't understand what I was talking about, so I said I'll just make this video. But hopefully now you guys understand exactly what I'm talking about. Attention is equal to views. The more people that come to your store means potentially the more money you're going to make. You want to take out that word potentially. You want to have a guarantee. You want to essentially bring in so much traffic to your store that it doesn't become a question anymore if you're going to get a sale or not, right? No matter how good or how bad your designs are. So that's why attention matters. Now, for those who want to know, I've been using Instagram bots for a while. I've even created a 7-day series twice on this YouTube channel, which, by the way, I'll leave the links in the description. They're for free. You can go watch them. Click on them, go watch them. And essentially what they are, they're 7-day series where for 7 days, I grew an Instagram account every single day to gain followers. And by the end of the series, we gained more followers than anybody could have imagined on both of the series, both the 7-day series. I'll leave them in the links down below if you guys want to see them. And I have this strategy where what I do is I use an Instagram bot to gain me attention on Instagram, and then I funnel the traffic from Instagram to any store that I want, any product that I'm selling. And in this case, it's Redbubble. For the people who are watching this, it could be to a Redbubble product. It could be to a Redbubble shop. It could be to Amazon. It could be to whatever you want to do. Now, the thing that's important about the story that I shared about that bodybuilder guy, there's only 2 things that matter with what he did. He didn't complain. He didn't ask questions. He didn't, say, oh, is this going to work? Is this not going to work? The only thing he did was he did the work. He did the work and he got the results. And mind you, he was already in a place where he was prepared to receive the success. He was posting photos every day. He was using the tags. He was getting everything set up. He was doing everything he was supposed to, but yet he wasn't succeeding. But it could be that one thing, that one change, once again, changed the momentum of his business, changed the momentum of his life. And that year, he went on and got 4 different sponsorships. One of them was a supplement company. One of them was a clothing company. Another one was a meal prep company. I forget what the other one was. I think it was a tanning company or something like that, like Pro Tan or something like that. And the guy kept gaining followers and gaining followers. Now, to date, he's been doing this for over, I think, 2 to 3 years. And he doesn't work his day job anymore. He actually just runs off of his Instagram, off sponsorship money and things like that. But my point here is that if that person can do it, right, where he doesn't know any kind of strategy, any kind of tricks with the algorithms, with the systems, with the tech, and still happen to make it and make it work, then you could do it too. And I'm telling you guys, I have more than enough content on this YouTube channel for you to go back, read all the content, watch all the content. It's very simple. Start off with the 2 videos that I put in the link in the description box down below. They're playlists, the 2 playlists, and they are showing you a perfect example of how to grow your Instagram account, which is essentially how to gain attention. You're going to take that and you're going to utilize it for your own shop. I'm telling you, just go back and watch them. They are in the 2 links in the description. You need to watch those videos, the 2 playlists, all right? I'll talk to you guys later. Thank you guys for watching. Peace out. Bye.